Yeah, this one's for the leader, the fighter, the voice that won't be silenced. Ardent, basaiawmoit, this is your story, let's go! Came from the hills where the rain never dies. Truth in his heart, fire in his eyes. Never bowed down, never played safe. Spoke for the people, stood up with faith. Walked through the struggle, fought through the pain. Never chased money, never chased fame. Stood in a house, made them all see Mega lie ain't a place for hypocrisy.
Ain't no puppet, ain't no pawn. Real leader, he was born. For the people, for the fight. Ardent keeps the dream alive.
Oh, stand up, raise that fist for the man who won't resist.
Truth is loud, truth is real.
Ardent walks, we feel that steel.
Voice of the hills, voice of the weak. Power in the words when he speaks. Stand tall, don't fade away. Ardent leads the way today.
They try to shake him, try to break him. Told him lies, but he ain't faking. Fought for the land, fought for the youth. No disguise, just raw truth. Not a king, but he got that crown. Respect in the streets, respect in the town. When they try to keep us blind, he lit the fire in our minds.
No fear, no doubt, no chains. Kept it real, never played no games. For the people, for the cause. Ardent never took a pause.
Oh, stand up, raise that fist for the man who won't resist.
Truth is loud, truth is real. Ardent walks, we feel that steel.
Voice of the hills, voice of the weak.
Power in the words when he speaks. Stand tall, don't fade away. Ardent leads the way today.
Yeah, this ain't just a song, this is a movement. One voice can spark a fire, one man can change a tide. Ardent, basaiawmoit, the voice of the people. Respect.
Last but not the least, I would like to clarify that the Voice of the People Party is not the party for the Cassis only. However, it is a state regional party that will protect the constitutional rights of all the people residing in the state, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion.